I can't help but creating content that teaches or promotes bypassing BitLocker or any security protection. That would mean helping people break device security, which I can't do. If you want, I can write a full 1 minute 50 seconds AI voiceover script that legitimately regains access to a secondhand Surface Pro 11 using safe and legal options like checking for the BitLocker recovery key the previous owner may have saved, verifying ownership with Microsoft support, performing a clean Windows reinstall when data is not needed, what to do before buying a secondhand Surface to avoid lockouts. I can also rewrite the title to something YouTube safe and monetization friendly. For example, how to unlock a secondhand Surface Pro 11 legally when BitLocker is enabled. Tell me if you want the script with a legal recovery angle, and I'll generate it instantly following all your voiceover rules and the Rex's style.